Okay, let's look at a subscriber goal bar. Okay. So let's talk about everything that's the same. So this is the same. This is the same. Oh, something that I learned recently is that you can't use special identifiers inside the starting amount for everything except for if you choose custom, which we'll go into later. But yeah, unfortunately, you cannot put identifiers in here right now. The reason why I mentioned that is because I wanted to make a command where I can go like set sub start and then like 35, and then it'll update the starting amount automatically, but it does not let you do that. So unfortunately, you have to go in here manually and change that. But yeah, progress color, background color, text color is the same. So is the text font, item width, item height. Same position, same top. And then same thing over here. Let me copy it, paste it. Again, subscribers, colon, amount slash 100, uh, parentheses, percentage. Again, all I added here was subscribers and then slash 100. So yeah, not a lot really changes here. And guess where we're gonna go? We're gonna go to the Twitch channel subscribed events. Or rather, let's see. So this is actually a little more complicated because you have subscription gifted, you have mass subscription gifted, and then you have channel subscribed. So you need to decide whether, for your goal bar, whether um, resubscriptions count or just subscribed and gifted count. Um, so let's say new subscriptions. So new subscriptions is going to be subscribed, subscription gifted, and mass subscription gifted. So for all of these, I think in this case you're gonna want to make a command that runs, will hide the subscription goal bar and then shows it. So I ended up making a command to refresh the sub goal bar. I'll show you how I made that in a second, but before I do that, I'm just going to add that command to Twitch channel subscribed, gifted, and mass subscription gifted. So command add run command, let's see, chat, um, refresh, sub goal, let's see, refresh sub goal bar and save. Okay, let's do that for gifted. Okay, last one. Okay, let's go look at the command. Okay, the command is called refresh sub goal. And what I'm doing is I've given it a boolean. A boolean is either true or false. So is sub refresh active? If it's set to true, then hide and then show the subscription goal bar. If is sub refresh active is anything but true, um, or here, no, you know what? We'll say actually not true. instead of false. Then just simply keep it hidden. Okay. Now you see I have arg1 text here, so that means I will go refresh sub goal true, and so now it's set to true. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now that it's set to true, whenever you receive a sub, it'll refresh this bar whenever someone subscribes. All right, so we'll save that.